That was a spectacle. That was insane.
We just got a world record live.
World record holder.
As the world went into lockdown, a community of gamers came together, united by a passion to beat the game as quickly as possible.
Break the Record Live, presented by Kaspersky. It's about the best run on the day. It's going to be our long stint as well. 14 hours, chaps. We've got Shining Face, Bowser, Bloodshot, Rampancy, Visconic, Xiae, and Zamid. We've got runners from around different parts of the globe. We are here to break the record. I think it can be done.
6 runners set new personal bests.
Hold on your hats here, guys.
He's barely lost a second off his best possible time.
Xiae is on the brink of achieving the best run ever.
Man, I can't imagine the nerves right now.
This is the moment of truth.
The world record from Xiae was the moment of the event.
We just got a world record live.
That's it right there. Congratulations, Xiae. World record holder. That was a spectacle. That was insane.
I ran with Kaspersky gaming mode on, and I broke the record.
Play fast, stay safe.